challenged. In fact, recently, ERB already declared him as disqualified. So, to summarize, I agree with you. It is qualified in 57.
Good morning, everyone. I am Jeff Roll, representing Lente for the Legal Network for Truthful Elections. My question is just to pictures in the projects that they are actually are doing for the people of Zamboanga.
You're expected to do it. So you announce it when it's something that's unexpected. And furthermore, personal opinion, furthermore, they're both buying. That falls not just with it's any kind of card. You still remember a couple of years ago, a big pharmaceutical
At that time, Father Miller, he was the one who really told me, and we were discussing about it. So vote buying is not a new issue in Zamboanga City. Now, that is the idea of the so-called movement known as Zamboangueños for the Transformation of Zamboanga. That is what we're referring to. Now, is the act of giving.
It could also make people who are close distant. In other words, it's just like the internet. It can be used for some.
The liberal and pan-nationalista, they cling to ABL for political convenience. Except in Zamboanga City, nationwide. Meaning, it is an election for the positions of governors, vice governors, mayors, vice mayors, and
You have